Hi guys. So tonight I'm gonna be doing a part three, of my fidget spinners. So this is gonna be included in the part three. So I got this for my birthday party. So watch me do a cool trick with this fidget spinner. I can do this, like guava juice, Roy Wasabi. You can call him whatever, but his channel name is Guava Juice. Yes. Yup, it is. So, I'm gonna be seeing if this can fall to the ground. Ready, and go. And when it fell to the ground, it was still spinning for a short period of time. And now it stopped. And now I'm gonna be mm, seeing if this fidget spinner can go uh, under my feet. So that was a cool trick. Now, let's see what this fidget spinner can do. And this will be in another part. So will this, and this. So, I hope you don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Good night. Goodbye.